Welcome everyone, my name is Sandra Lane and I work for the ESL National RÉCIT. In the introduction, we announced that we would present 4 ways to activate prior knowledge using technologies. This clip is our last proposition. In this clip, we will present how you can activate prior knowledge using the Frayer model with any interactive whiteboard software. The Frayer model is a graphic organizer that can be used for different purposes like activating prior knowledge. It will help build students' vocabulary, but also to enrich comprehension of a concept. One of the advantages of using the interactive whiteboard software is that you can often come back to the graphic organizer and add newly learned information. The way we use the Frayer model can be compared to Britt-Marie Barth's construction of concept approach. There are different ways to use this model. We will provide additional resources if you want to go further. We chose to use this Frayer model for our clip. It is divided in 4 sections: examples, non-examples, characteristics, and a definition for the concept. Before you introduce the concept to students, you should complete your own Frayer model with the elements you want your students to come up with. I chose to use endangered animals as a model. You can do this activity with only an interactive whiteboard in your classroom. You will need to form teams of 2 or 3 and provide a printed copy of the Frayer model. If you have devices in your class, they could work in a collaborative document instead of the paper copy. First, ask each team to write down as many examples of endangered animals as they can come up with. You can also ask your students to draw a representation of the elements that they wrote down. Then, come back together as a class and list the examples in the Frayer model. Organize the examples into what is directly linked to the concept and which ones are parallel to the concept or that students are not sure about. You can underline them and verify the information when they will research the topic or read about it. You can after browse the web and find copyrighted free pictures to add in your model. You simply drag and drop the images in your chart. Then, ask students to look at the listed animals and find the elements that they have in common. We will write down their characteristics. After they read about it, we will complete that section. We can also try to find a definition. Depending on the level of students, we can write down words and help them make a sentence. Again, we will come back and complete the definition after reading about it. You can also find a definition using different dictionaries on the web. You can select the definition and drag it in your chart. Don't forget to write down the source. The Frayer model helps students make links between different concepts and retain information. It creates a visual reference and promotes critical thinking. It also enables teachers to anticipate problems that students might have when reading and limit comprehension problems. It was a clip about how you can activate prior knowledge using the Frayer model with any interactive whiteboard software. Now it's your turn to try it. Which one will you choose?